little bit of cricket here.
Like 80 yards on there.
Right.
On there.
When was that?
This morning.
Oh, yeah.
We were sending it about 80 yards.
You just
And I couldn't reach it. Couldn't reach it with goals. I was all out thinking it was about 70. No problem. He got 5 yard on me. You're alright.
Oh, there we are, bit of cricket.
Thought you were going to give it a stamp.
Just played that.
About 4 inch.
Got a ball pass.
And Oldham, Brian. Come on. Entertain the public. Nice to see you with a smile.
Short delivery.
Richie Goddard, all but 7. Danny Barwise, 12-10.
Played it. Changing out.
Brian Duncan.
Oh, just went right through there and hit it down. Amazing, really. The ball's going back to the bowler. He's setting himself up. There he is. Making his run, pull him down. Right through. So he's running now. I got 4 out of that. Apparently, so it went because they went right to the boundary. So I don't know whether they call that 4 byes or not quite sure what the position is in the cricket. The bowler's getting the field also at the back. Feels like he can get straight through again. And there he gets ready to go. Sets himself. And away he goes. Let's just see what happens there. Struck it. Way up in the air, way over for 6. Good connection there. Bowler going in. That's for LBW and got it. How about that? There he goes. Hit it. Well, running for it over the backside there. Running back again. And that's it. Throws the ball in. And the ball comes back right back to the bowler there. And they're set up for another one.
On the green, please, Ian Nicholson and Callum Wright.
There he goes, right down. Played it out there. Gets a single. Puts it back in. Setting the field a bit different now, I think. He's getting back now. There he runs. Really nice stroke towards us, collected. Just hit that one, throwing it in.
Right.
Just at the right moment. Hold him out. Behind me. Got him together there. Happy with that. $14 apparently now. Oh, just running in now. Right through, apparently. Making a bit collected that one. They'll set up now for the next one. There it is, running in. Collected that one. Well stopped. that one. Change round. Are they coming up for lunch? No. A drink. They're having a nice drink of orange. Goes. Well struck. Well cut, stopped. Setting up now to another one. And here he goes, there's his run up. Right, to play that shot down. And they come in now and they change it. Setting up now to play a short taste. Played it down like that. Yes, yeah, good ball in there. Wasn't able to.
Dave Liley, 13.
Here he goes again.
7.
This time he has
Callum Wright, 5. Ian Nicholson, 11.
a swing at it. As you can hear, the bowling's on behind us as well.
Ricky Cochran, 0.
And we'll see if we can get a closer view this time.
Goddard, 5.
Of his strike, here it goes.
And Tommy Johnson still winning the highest break with 10.
Here it comes now, ball coming over. Played it over there. They haven't run. Back to the bowler. Field well spread. Here it comes. Strikes it in between. Thrown in. There he goes. And it's played across and held. Here we go again. Strikes it. Held again. The bowler's holding it. Can you get another one in there? Nice spin. Ah, right through. Wicket keeper. And here he goes again. Out. No. No. The umpire's having none of it.
Stay with mummy. Stay with mummy. Hello, John.
There you are. One to go. Just altering his boundary a little bit there. Moving them to one side. Now what type of spin is he going to produce now? Well, oh, it's gone through, over the top, they're running. Doesn't quite reach the boundary. And they stopped him, just going to run again. Just went right through that one dead. I was a bit too slow to catch it, but let's see if we can pick it up a bit better this time. Here he comes. And I played it just forward there. Oh, I don't know what he's doing, he's moving in there.
I said to you, have you got a bat? And he said, yeah. And so I brought ball, we could have had a game on.
Oh, he's playing right close. And so he will set up, and here it comes now. And then he goes.
Just to say that the raffle, they drove it to
Played it down.
final.
Oh, you like that? Setting up now, here he goes. And he caught that one, stopped it. Was going to throw it, but saw he was over the crease. And the batsman setting up with the umpire there. And it goes. Give that a good whack, that's gone right up to the outfield. Running, can he get another one? Good. Getting ready to run in now. Here he comes. Nobody called, he hit the pad there. Nobody called anything. Here we go again. Well, caught him. Well done. That was a good catch. Indeed.